Mr. Button.
This report calls for a directive which will allow judicial authorities to confiscate someone's assets without a criminal conviction. What happened to the presumption of innocence until proved guilty? The bedrock of the English Constitution is the Bill of Rights 1689. It clearly says, quote, that grants and promises of fines and forfeitures of particular persons before convictions are illegal and void. That means that no government or judicial authority can impose a fine or take away someone's property for an alleged criminal activity, but must first secure a criminal conviction in a court of law. The Bill of Rights is a constitutional act and is still in force. Our freedoms and liberties are being eroded and destroyed, and the pretext is always the same, that we have to be protected from crime and terrorism. But the single biggest reason for the increased threat of crime in the UK and Europe is the EU's open borders policy. Open borders mean that we cannot stop criminals, big and small, organised and disorganised, from coming to our country. Indeed, it will be illegal under the EU's freedom of movement directives to discriminate against criminals. All UK MEPs should vote against this report. If a directive is adopted, then the British government should unilaterally refuse to transpose it into UK law. It would be illegal and void.